and we've done a full restoration rebuild with the customer doing the majority of the work on this truck. Our rationale there again is that if the customer has done the work, then when something breaks, they understand how and why and are able to repair it in the field. This truck was configured specially with a 5-door roof rack and roll cage setup that gives them the ability to convert from the pickup cab into a 3-door long bed, fully covered SUV. The engine conversion that was done on it is the 300 TDI turbo diesel, and that is set up beautifully as a factory configured engine, which means parts availability is consistent with the range of production between 1993 and 2006 engines, and that's the full drivetrain all the way back. It's really just built as a almost as good as you could get it off the line at the time in the what we consider to be the ideal configuration, which is the 300 TDI, the turbo diesel spec trucks. Military adopted engines ensured the really long lifespan and great parts availability that'll continue on for many, many years. I had to give you a bad line, you know? I don't want you to lift those tires. Feel like that. A little bit this way, a little bit more. All right, you'll be right there. Bump it through. Just a little bit more than last time. Don't go to 10, just that tiny bit more than last time. Beautiful. Towards me. There you go. Nice. Good ability to ratchet it up and not just go.